so whoever is training us, right, they have a very strong background. They most of the trainers are coming from the IIT background. That's a
Mm,
very, like, I would say, the attracting or the most powerful like things about those trainers. If I want to work, I can use Perplexity, right? And if I want to generate the podcast, I can use the Notebook LM, right?
mm,
And if I want to convert any like text into the like audio file, I can use ElevenLabs. So these kind of
mm.
tools means I have learned. And the most the powerful or the most important the session, I would say, like the means I would say the like when we have learned about the cursor,
Cursor.
means through cursor. Yeah, cursor, we can like build the application, or we can build the website through that app. Cursor means I have built my portfolio, right? I have used that.
Okay. So, hi Lakhan, how are you?
I'm good, Mudit. How are you?
I'm also good. So, can you tell me a little bit about yourself? That what is your experience and which industry are you from?
Okay, so hi, my name is Lakhan Singh, and I have around more than 11 years of experience, including I have worked in manufacturing industry, consulting industry, and right now I'm working like in software industry. My
Mhm.
previous experience, I was working as a product manager with a software development product and service based company in Noida. While like exploring the means new career opportunities, I was like exploring the opportunities through AI as well. And then like I was it's like scrolling the reels over this Instagram.
Mhm.
Then one reel like came out, and means Aditya was there, who was like promoting for like the that workshop for 2.5 hours workshop. So I have joined that workshop, and after joining that workshop, means there are like 9 to 10 tools they means Aditya taught in that workshop. So that exactly from where means I thought about it, and it was means it definitely changed my mind to join this workshop. So when we started this, from the beginning, from the like introduction to Gen AI, and then after prompt engineering, then sessions related to the business analytics and data analytics, like Power BI, Python, SQL, Excel with AI. So these are the things, like means I was working in this company as a product manager, and I was doing I was not on something like means I would say that I was using a very like means on daily basis, like I was not using AI at that time. But after
Mhm.
joining this Be10x workshop, and once we started the program, means I started implement daily, means every weekend whatever the tools we learn. So I started applying in my daily day-to-day work routine, and it really helped me to like save my time, improve the productivity. And definitely it helped me to, when I was exploring the new opportunities, it definitely helped me to
Mhm.
get the job in the market.
Okay. So, how did you
That's
get to know about Be10x and Masterclass? I think you have already mentioned that. I think through the advertisement you got to know.
Yes, through Instagram. I was scrolling the reels. I was then I came to know about this workshop, and then through that workshop, I joined the like this AI master.
Okay. Okay. And now, what is your success story, land achievement you got with the help of Be10x and after enrolling it into our program? That
So like
yeah, you can tell.
I would say when like I was in my college in means I am 2014 pass out.
Hmm.
So it was my dream to work with a company like who is global, like so means basically a multinational company, right? So it was my dream to work in that kind of companies. So in previous 10 years I didn't get a chance to work that kind of company. So I would say like the my success story is something like improving my productivity and successfully
Hmm.
trans to a role with a means I got a role with a global consulting firm. I would not mention the name of the company due to some
Okay.
reasons, but say it's a very like it. I would say it's my dream company. Like so, B10X really helped me to save the time and improve like the quality of work and the position, to get the position what exactly I was looking for in previous 10 years. So that exactly helped, means this program helped me to get that. So this is the success story, I would say.
Okay. And can you tell me that what are the key learnings or any AI tools from masterclass or any particular session on any trainer that you like the most in our session?
See, trainer are something like means whatever means whoever is training us, right, they have a very strong background. They most of the trainers are coming from the IIT background. That's a
Mhm.
very, like I would say, the attracting or the most powerful like things about those trainers.
Mhm.
Means I would not mention the name of any particular, but yes,
You can mention
every
the
trainer.
any AI tool or any session you can mention. I think any AI tool that help you like crack this achievement that you have achieved.
See, the tools I have received means I got from B10X itself. It's a resume builder and the prompt
Okay.
generator. So these two tools help me on daily basis. Still, I'm still using the prompt generator on
Mhm.
my daily basis. Well, and the resume builder I have got, and there are a couple of tools means I have received from B10X. So those are somewhere means I'm using on daily basis to save my time and to improve the productivity. I would mention that the tools means prior to this program means I was only using ChatGPT and not
Mhm.
on a very deep level or a very vast level. I was just doing some. I was using like a Google, right? I didn't know how to you particularly use these kind of tools, but after
Mhm.
after like learning the things from the B10X program means I was right now I'm kind of using so many tools means because I know for the research work I can use Grok, right? For documentations or any other research, if I want to work, I can use Perplexity, right? And if I want to generate the podcast, I can use the Notebook LM, right?
Mhm.
And if I want to convert any text into the audio file, I can use ElevenLabs. So these kind of
Mhm.
tools means I have learned, and the most the powerful or the most important the session I would say, like the means I would say the when we have learned about the cursor,
Cursor.
means through cursor. Yeah, cursor, we can build the application or we can build the website through that app. Cursor means I have built my portfolio, right? I have used that and I'm still using and I have deployed it. It's something like means I have generated my own website from my name. So that is something I would say. And the prompt engineering session was very good. Means after that, I means I would say like after that session, I came to know like how exactly we can use the AI tools after
Okay.
attending the prompt engineering sessions.
Okay, sure. And now can you tell me like what strategies you have followed in like order to crack the this job or like any AI strategies that any strategies that you have implemented and with the help of AI or you
See,
like any strategy you know?
means like I already mentioned, means every weekend, whatever the sessions we have, whatever the AI tools we learn, right?
Mhm.
So within that week, I only don't just watch the videos or attend the sessions. I implement those AI tools uh, wherever I think like I can utilize these tools. So this kind of approach I have applied on day-to-day basis in my work, in my personal life as well. So it is something means I would say that after attending this master class, it's something like the execution is important, right? Whatever we are
Mhm.
learning, we really need to execute those sessions. We need to start using those AI tools. So when we start applying these concepts immediately on the daily basis, and so it really helps us. And whatever suppose if I'm working, or if let's take an example, means I'm preparing for a new interview or any means I'm looking for a job, right? So my strategy, was something like simple. First, learn, then
Mhm.
apply, then improve. So, and obviously, I would say the consistency is very important, right? If you
Mhm.
will not be consistent, then definitely it's not going to help anyone in the world. So
Okay.
these kind of things I have applied.
Okay. So my last question to you is that any advice you want to give to your fellow learners?
Definitely, I would say, don't ever treat this as a passive course or something. Means apply whatever you learn immediately in your daily work, or if you are planning for any career switch or anything, focus on the productivity and not just the tools and the so basically you will have to build the consistency. When you will be consistent and you will start applying the whatever the technology you are learning, either it is automation, agentic AI, any tools related to if we talk about the Python using AI, Excel using AI, Power BI using AI. So if you are not applying or if you are not implementing these tools on daily basis, then definitely
Mhm.
you're not going to learn anything. So
Okay.
my advice would be learn, apply, and improve, and after that means you definitely are going to see the results yourself.
Okay. Okay. So Lakhan, so this is it from my end, and very very congratulations on your this achievement. And yeah,
Thank
thank you, thank you, thank you.